Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
So what I usually do first is I go ahead and wet the front of the hair. And then I just... Can you guys see? I feel like you guys can't see. I don't know. Then I just brush that back, all that wet hair back. I got a video already on how I pluck my closures, but I'm gonna do one again. I love closures that give the frontal vibe, like I told you guys before, but my technique of plucking closures, all I do is just get thinner, thinner, thinner the more you go back, like my other curly hair. So what I'm gonna start doing is just plucking the hair in the front. I already bleached it, so that's why it looks like that. But I'm just gonna start plucking to get rid of that harsh line that it has already. And as you see, the harsh line is like slowly going away. And if you feel like you're plucking too much hair, that's good. Like the better, the more, the natural it looks. And I'm just plucking, plucking. Anyways guys, today is December 24th. It is Christmas Eve, y'all. It's Christmas Eve. I'm so happy because I'm not even in the Christmas spirit. I'm just ready for New Year's, honestly. I'm done being in the Christmas spirit. I'm just ready for New Year's. So as I'm plucking, after I like do the front of the hair, as you can see, the harsh line is not really there as much, but that is gonna look better once I go to the second row to pluck. And then you just want to brush all that hair that you have just plucked out. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my comb, part a little piece like that, because that's going to be clear. This is going to be the edges basically. So I'm plucking and plucking. I'm just going to separate that just like so. And I'm gonna pluck, now I'm just gonna pluck down. I'm gonna hold the hair down and pluck going down. Just to thin that out because nobody really has thick baby hair, if you know what I'm saying. Everybody's baby hair is like type thin. So keep plucking, keep plucking. Just like so. And then you just brush that out. If you want to pluck some more, you can go ahead and pluck some more, which I'm gonna do. A little more. And then you're good. So now what you want to do is you want to go back to the back of the hair and start plucking. I feel like I gotta pin this down right here. This is long, man. I gotta get a new hair, y'all. Excuse the dirtiness. But that shows all my hard work that I've done in this front today. Okay. So yeah, like I said, now you're gonna go back. This is your edges and stuff. So now you're gonna go back to this and just start plucking backwards. Especially with curly hair, you want that natural look with curly hair. You don't want your hairline and stuff to look so bulky. And as you guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but the hair is thinning out. which is what we want. Most times people just leave, like, they just pluck this and leave the rest thick, so when they part it, it looks like a wig now. Like, it goes from natural to wig looking, so you want to make sure you give, like, the whole closure a natural look. So if you do part it, it could look natural all over. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and comb all of that out. Like you guys can see, it's looking natural, y'all. It's looking real natural. So then I'm going to go ahead and part it again, but this time it's going to be a wider part. I'm going to do a little pluck. I'm going to do a little plucking downwards. Plucking, did I say that right? I'm going to do a little plucking downwards because I don't want this to be as thin as the rest, but I still want it to look natural. Everybody pluck differently, so I feel like it depends on how you pluck the hair. Can you guys see? Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and keep plucking backwards and frontwards, back and forth. Sorry if this is a weird angle for you guys, but my wig head is clearly broken. Like, it's not sitting up straight for nothing. And yeah, guys, this is a closure. I don't know if I said that before, but as you guys can see, this is a closure. I'm just gonna keep plucking anywhere it looks too thick. This closure really wasn't bad, like when it comes to thickness. Like, trust me, I've had trouble with picking closures that are so thick, and the thicker the closure, the more you have to honestly pluck. That's the crazy part, so. This wasn't really too bad when it comes to plucking. And this hair, y'all, is the Stema hair, I believe. Yeah, this is the Stema hair. So, teach you guys. I have hair all over my floor right now, y'all. See? And it naturally gets thinner going back. Like, the hair isn't really thick going back, so I won't have to do a lot of plucking going towards the back of the head. Because like I said, it's still good. It still looks natural without it being plucked. Like, it's not too thick. When you part it, it looks half natural and half wiggy, but it's pretty good. So I'm not gonna really do that much plucking to it, but I am still gonna do plucking. And then after you do your plucking, Look at all this hair that came out, y'all. All this hair that came out. This is all the hair that came out from plucking. After you do all your plucking, you're gonna go ahead and spray the hair once again just to see where you want to do more plucking at. But I feel like this looks so natural to me. Oh my god. This looks so freaking natural, y'all. Look at that. Can you guys even see? I'm gonna put the before right next to it, y'all, but this is the after. Look how natural this looks now. Like, it doesn't look bad. Not saying it looked bad in the beginning, but like I said, it looks more natural like this. So, this is how I would like my closures. I don't know how my sister's gonna be wearing this hair. Most likely the middle part, because she loves middle part. No, mine, she likes side parts. But I'm gonna go ahead and part it down the middle just to see something. Just to see how it looks parted. And this is how it looks parted. It doesn't look bad parted at all, honestly. Like, the hair isn't really, like, the closure wasn't really thick, so you're gonna have like a natural look all over, if you see what I'm talking about. Like, it's gonna look natural all over. But yeah, y'all, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Comment down below on what other videos you guys want to see. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your bitch, watch her drown. Call him my plug for the pounds. Wait, our future years right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch it do coke. Broke as hell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling out the shows.